Welcome back, everybody. You're watching 412 PSC Customs here on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, you always ask that you jump in, smash that subscribe button. Love to have you guys back. We also ask that you guys smash that thumbs up button, because it really helps us get these videos pushed through to other viewers, viewers that can benefit from the content, the information about the equipment, that sort of thing. We also ask that you guys share our videos with your friends, your family, co-workers, fellow first responders, or anybody in the service industry that can benefit from the content. Alright, so with all that said, let's just jump into it. So today we're going to take a look at a product that I was able to obtain a pretty decent quantity of through a government surplus auction, and that is the Federal Signal FireRay 7x3. So as you can tell, these 7x3s are both in amber, so they feature the amber lens and the amber LEDs. These are really nice perimeter lights, not unlike the Whelen 7x3, the Phoenix 7x3. Pretty sure Code 3 makes a 7x3, but I'm not 100% sure what they're doing today. But yeah, so this is just an item that I figured we'd take a look at. So let's take a closer look at it. Pretty normal 7x3 perimeter light. This one's not too thick. Comes with a rubber gasket, as you can see. Comes with a 4-wire pigtail, which I'll explain here in a second. Now, these feature 9 LED diodes in each row. So you have an upper row and you have a lower row. Inside the outer lens, there is a linear optic, basically. It's a linear optic that we've seen actually like Code 3 use in their light bar lights, those kind of things. I'm going to tell you, these things are insanely bright, super high quality. Let me give you a couple specs on them, and then we'll fire them up and check out some flash patterns. So, as some of you may know, these units are an import. These are made in Taiwan, as for some reason Federal Signal has been doing with pretty much everything except for, I think, their light bars. I think their full-size exterior light bars are about the only thing that they make in University Park, Illinois anymore. Don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure, but it just seems like pretty much everything they have moved overseas as far as a manufacturing standpoint. But these are real similar to the micropulse that I just did a video on, the 1200 and the Ultra 1200, where you have a couple different flash modes where you can do the top down, where the top row and the bottom row will alternate. There's a left right, where the left side and the right side will alternate, and then they have that crisscross pattern where the top left half and the bottom right half will alternate with the top right half and the bottom left half. They feature 13 patterns, so not a ton of patterns to choose from, but they got some pretty nice patterns. And obviously, by it being signified as a 7x3, it is a 7-inch by 3-inch exterior perimeter light. Now, these ones, you can tell there is no mounting flange with these, so this is just the basic light that comes with the rubber gasket You can purchase exterior flanges that you can put on. I do know they have a black and they have a chrome. I'm not sure if they make any other colors like white or gray or what have you. So yeah, I mean, these are pretty nice units. They are for sale. We have quite a few of them. So if you guys want to give us a ring or throw an email to sales@412psccustoms.com, we can definitely get you hooked up, get you set up at a decent, reasonable price. Well, let's fire them up and check out some patterns with them. All right, folks, so we got her hooked up. Let's throw some power to her. And we'll check out some quick patterns here. Let me turn on the darkening filter. There we go. All right, so this is your default pattern. As you guys know, this is probably my favorite pattern throughout most professional lighting equipment. I do believe these come in all standard colors except for green, so that gives you red, blue, white, and yellow, amber. These are available with clear lens as well. You know, there's something I noticed about a lot of the import lights from different major manufacturers. If you ever notice, once they stop the cycle of flash patterns, there's somewhat of a downtime, somewhat of a pause before it goes into repeating that same cycle. That I'm not a real big fan of. I mean, let me know down below what you guys think, but for me, that's just kind of a no-go. All All right, I'm going to go through these again just because for some reason, I don't think we got all the patterns. So that's like the brake mode, I guess. All right, well, there they are. What I'm going to do is I think I'm going to reprogram this and show you the different flash modes. All right, folks, so as you can tell, we are in the top-down flash mode now. Kind of odd how that doesn't do top and bottom. I mean, it does in a way, but that bottom is just like a part of a second off, I guess, for some reason. There's that downtime. Okay, so now we're in the crisscross mode. Well, at least it's the random pattern, only the random pattern that has that downtime where it seems like it's thinking about resetting. I definitely would never put that on a professionally built vehicle, but that's just my opinion. I think it's just one of those things that you take a risk on whenever you buy a imported product. All right, so now we here have the side to side flash mode for you. And with this pattern, I'm not sure you can notice, but there's just something wacky about it where no matter what flash mode you're in, it just doesn't seem like it's working the way it should. And there we have the off time, or the downtime that I call it, on this random pattern. It's just not professional to have lights that seem like they need a second to think about what they're doing, you know? Okay, folks, so there we have it. That is the Federal Signal FireRay 7x3, or the FR-7 from Federal Signal. If you guys like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps us out, really helps us get these videos out to other people in the service industry that can definitely benefit from, you know, the awareness of these products, the information that we put out, you know, and possibly locally get some installation done. So it's definitely a benefit, helps us out a lot. So I really appreciate it if you guys would smash that thumbs up button. Like I said before, if this is your first time here, we always ask that you jump in, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you click that bell icon so that you're notified anytime we upload a new video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, requests, anything that you want to see on the channel that you haven't seen yet, put them down below. We'd love to engage with you guys. I think we do a pretty good job of kind of getting back to you guys whenever possible. And yeah, I mean, I guess that's about it. Until the next video, guys, be kind to one another and stay safe out there.